Hi everyone! As Independence Day is nearing, in this quick tutorial, let's crochet this beautiful crochet tricolor hair clips. All you need is some acrylic yarn. So I'm using this color for the base and this tricolor for the little hearts. With that, I'm taking 2.5mm crochet hook, a hair clip like this, 3 pearls just to add here, a small amount of glue, and don't forget to keep a scissor handy. To make the base, we will start by making a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this, then take this end and twist it once and then fold it. Now you can see this is the tail and this is the working yarn. Slowly pull the working yarn outside. So this creates a slip knot. After making a slip knot, make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After making 8 chains, skip this very first chain into the second chain here. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. So this is the first stitch of row 1. We will mark that stitch and then till you reach this very last stitch, make 1 single crochet in every chain gap. Second one, third one, fourth, fifth and sixth. I made 6 single crochets. Now I'm left with the last chain here. There we will make 3 single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, make your first single crochet. Again into the same chain, make second single crochet. Again into the same chain, make third single crochet. So we made 6 single crochets and in the last chain we made 3 single crochets. And now we will turn our work like this. You can see these loops here. Into these loops we will work now. So insert your hook in the very first loop. Keep this tail on top of the hook while you work. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. And now second one, third one, fourth and fifth. After making 5 single crochets, now I am left with the last loop here. There insert your hook, yarn over and make 2 single crochet. So 1 into the same chain, we will make 1 more single crochet. So this completes row 1. We reached this marked stitch, so remove your stitch marker and in the same chain gap insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. For row 2, make 1 chain first and then you can see this is the chain where we made slip stitch just now. So in the same chain we will make 2 single crochet now. So insert your hook, yarn over, make your first single crochet. Mark that stitch as it is the first stitch of row 2. And again into the same chain, make 1 more single crochet. So after making 2 single crochets in the very first chain, in the next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will make 1 single crochet each. After making 5 single crochets, in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, we will make 2 single crochet in every chain gap. So insert your hook in the next chain gap, yarn over, make your first single crochet. Again into the same chain gap, make second single crochet. And now into the next chain, make 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Again into the next chain we will make 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. So this completes the corner. Now in the next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will make 1 single crochet each. After making 5 single crochet, I am left with 1 and 2 last chains here. There we will make 2 single crochet in each chain gap. So insert your hook, yarn over, make a single crochet. Again into the same chain, make 1 more single crochet. And into the last chain, we will make 2 single crochet again. 1 and 2. And now I reach this marked stitch. Remove your stitch marker, insert your hook in that chain gap, yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. For row 3, as usual, make 1 chain and into the same chain. So this is where I made slip stitch. So into the same chain, we will make 2 single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, make a first single crochet. Mark that stitch because it is the first stitch of row 3. And again I made 1 single crochet, and now into the same chain make 1 more single crochet. So this completes 2 single crochet in the very first chain, and now into the next chain make 1 single crochet. So 2, 1, and in the next 5 chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 make 1 single crochet in each. Now after making 5 single crochets, now we came to the corner. Here we will make 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet. So insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a single crochet. So this is the first one. Again into the same chain, make 1 more single crochet. So I made 2 single crochet, and now into the next chain we will make 1 single crochet. In the next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will make 1 single crochet each. After making 5 single crochet, now we again came to the corner. Here we will make 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet. And here we already made 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet this side. Two, 1, 2, and 1. After that, we reach this marked stitch. Remove your stitch marker and insert your hook there, yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now make 1 chain, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook. We will trim the tail of the slip knot here. We will now weave this tail. Take a tapestry needle, insert your yarn and just pass your yarn through adjacent loops. Trim the excess yarn, and this completes the base. Now we will make the little hearts. I'll show saffron color. White and green you can make on your own. We will first start by making a magic ring. To make a magic ring, hold your yarn like this. Then wrap this yarn around your 2 fingers and hold it with this finger. Now you can see a nice X shape. Insert your hook under this yarn and slowly pull the other yarn to this side and hold it like this. Now take this working yarn slowly out of this loop. So this creates a magic circle. After making a magic circle, every heart starts with 2 chain. So 1 and 2. After making 2 chains, make 3 half double crochets inside this magic circle. So to make a half double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook inside the magic circle yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 at once. So this completes one half double crochet. We will make 2 more. After making 3 half double crochet, we will now make 2 single crochets inside the same magic circle. To make a single crochet, insert your hook inside the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both. Again, second one. So we made 2 chain, 3 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, and now we will make 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet. After that, we will replicate the same this side. We will make 2 single crochet, 3 half double crochet, chain 2. So make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and then 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3. After making 3 half double crochets, we will make 2 chains and then insert your hook inside the magic circle, yarn over and make a slip stitch. After that, make 1 chain, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook, and now this is the tail of the magic ring. Just pull the tail of the magic ring tight, and this creates a tiny heart like this. So similarly make white and green heart, and then I'll show you how to assemble them together. You can see I made 3 tiny hearts, and now we will tie these hearts on this base. So I'll use the same tail to tie. We have 2 tail here. We will take the lengthy one this side. So insert your hook here. Take this yarn and pull it this side like this. Now we will use the same tail to tie it here. So keep it on top of the base. Take your hook, insert your hook from back side and just pull this yarn to this side, and again insert your hook here and pull the other tail to this side. And now we will make a permanent knot. Just remove the excess yarn. Now we will add this pearl. Add a small amount of glue here, here and here. So this completes the hair clips. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.